happy Wednesday morning, or happy Wednesday afternoon, or happy Wednesday evening, whichever one it is that you're coming to me at, all right? Okay, so today in math, we only have 2 worksheets, and they are pretty simple looking worksheets, but a little tricky as well, okay? So our whole number today is always going to be the number 10, okay? So our whole number is always going to be number 10 today. Now, we're not working with our number equations, our math equations. We are only doing number bonds. So 10 is whatever we do, okay? So if you look, I should have these printed off. Okay, so whenever you look, we have 9 dots here, okay? And we know that because we can say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? So for that one, our 9, my pencil, is 1 part, okay? So I'm going to draw with my red how many we know we have, all right? So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want it in the 5 group way. So then I'm going to come down and I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? So there's our 9 red circles to represent the number we know we have. Now, 9, we're going to count on until we get to our whole number, which is 10. So 9, 10. Okay, so our other part, so we're going to look, we have 9 red and 1 green. So our number bond is 10 is 9 and 1. Today we're not doing anything with our math equation. We are only doing the number bond. Okay, so I'm going to erase that. We're going to do a couple more of these and then we'll look at the worksheet together, okay? So now let's think, let's do 6, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but what is our whole number? 10, right? So we got to go 6. There's 6 of them drawn. So now we're going to draw in until we get to 10. So we're going to count on from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 2 groups of 5 to give me 10. All right, so now we're going to look at, I'm going to draw a circle around these. Our red, how many red do we have? 6 red. How many green do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 green. So for this one, our number bond is 10 is 6 and 4. And our picture tells us we have 6 red, 4 green. All right? Now, I'm going to erase that. Now, I'm not erasing my 10 because we know 10 is our whole number today. All right? So, let's see. I'm going to make this one a little bit trickier for you, okay? Excuse me. All right. So, we are going to have 2. 1, 2. Oh, we only have 2 red circles. Now we have to get to that 10. So we're going to switch. I'm going to switch to my green marker, and I'm going to hope my green marker stays with me. It's kind of fading. So we say 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to drop down because we're doing it in the 5 group way. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, man. How many red do I have? 2. Very good. So we have 2 red. Now, how many green do we have? We've got, oh, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So our picture tells us 10 is 2 and 8. All right. So that's what you're going to be doing on your worksheet. You're going to be adding in your circles to make 10. So let's look at our circles. Now, on this, you can use different colors. It doesn't matter. I don't care, just as long as you are writing in pencil, okay? So let's look at our first one, all right? So we've got, oh, we kind of did this one already on the board, didn't we? When I was doing them on the board. All right, so how many black circles do we have in right now? Hold on, sorry, I dropped that. But you can be looking at your worksheet because you have your worksheet in front of you. All right, so we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write the number 9 in our first circle. Okay? Now, I'm going to switch to my orange crayon so that you can really see it. All right? So we've got 9. Now we've got to get to our whole number of 10. So I'm going to put 1 circle there. Okay, so how many circles did I draw in? 1 of them. So I'm going to add that to my number bond. 9 and 1 is 10. 9 and 1 make 10. 9 and 1 make 10. Okay, now we're going to jump over here to this one. How many circles do we have? 1. Very good. So write that in your number bond. The number 1. Now, we have to make it to the number 10. Very good. So we're going to go from 1 to 3, 4, 5. Now, notice that I'm doing this in the 5 group way. Okay, so make sure you still are drawing in your 5 group way. So we're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, get my iPad set back up. So how many orange ones did we draw in this time? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ten is 1 and 9. Now, what can you tell me about these two problems? They're the same, but we go from our parts to our whole and our whole to our parts on the number bond. So that's what you're doing on the rest of this worksheet, okay? And on the front part of this worksheet. Now, down at the bottom, we are doing adding. Very good. Now, can you draw little pictures down here to help you add it? Yes, you can. Can you find crayons to add with? Yes, you can. Can you find toothpicks to add with? Yes, you can. You can find something around your house to help you solve these problems. So, be creative. These are adding. They're telling us our 2 parts equal our whole number. 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 Okay? So that's your math worksheet today. Simple, right? Not a lot to it today. So, all right, I will see you guys in a bit. Bye.